What's up everyone, welcome back to Suffered and Cyphers channel. Alright, so today I got the Dino Escape Carcharodontosaurus right here and the Dominion Siamosaurus. This is my custom paint Siamosaurus. The original is actually downstairs buried. So I brought this newly, freshly painted Dominion Siamosaurus. Just want to show it off to you guys. The DNA scan can't be open anymore. It's been sealed by the sealant. But anyways, the colors inspired I just googled it and it showed me like this kind of crocodile. Then I don't know, I added like some golden sunset yellowish over here on its sail, a little bit over there. But it turned out well though. Look at that. Give it a little dirty look. Painted its claws. There's the belly part. Gives, like I said, I made it dirty. Then the button still works. There you go. No damage. And this is the Carcharodontosaurus. I don't know what happened to its. I don't know if it came with that cage thing on its head back then. Can't recall anymore. It is from. Let's see the year. Oh gosh, I can't even tell. Is it next? Oh wow, it's actually 2020 right there. So it's been a couple years now. Okay, the reason I brought this two out because I want to compare to the new TORVOSAURUS. We just found it. Suffer found it yesterday. Alright, I've been hunting this, but he beat me to it. So alright, let's unbox this bad boy here. Let's compare to the dinos on its back. Let's check the back. We already did the Lioprodon a couple weeks ago. So yep, the tail of this thing reminds me of like an axolotl. I don't know, but let's unbox it. Let's check it out. Okay, since it doesn't have a variant yet, so I'm thinking of getting another one for a repaint. Yeah, I'll find another one. Okay, took it out. Okay, no sound obviously because it's a gigantic tracker. Nice white color right there. I wish they painted the claws though, so maybe the other one I'm gonna paint it. Make it a little darker over here. Has some nice quills on the side of its tail like an axolotl. If you push this button, it swings. I'm glad it doesn't rotate like the Gorgosaurus. Then this button goes on its left side for biting action. Yeah, it goes on its left side. It doesn't go right. So just pretty much left. Whoops. See, the teeth looks nice. The paint job is actually really nice as well. Look at that. So far they forgot to paint this once right here. Yeah, I'm about to get another one and paint the claws, make it gray, make it darker here as well. Yeah, so it has a crest over there like an Allosaurus. It's like it has another layer over there. You push the button, it separates it. Yeah, right there, it's still a separate part. So not bad. So let's compare to the Siamosaurus. There we go. Totally bigger. Why can't it stand by itself? It has a standing issue. Okay, now for the Carcharodontosaurus. The Carcharodontosaurus is actually taller but has a smaller head. This TORVOSAURUS has a bigger head and spikes, full of spikes. Meanwhile, this guy has some quills. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Just two features: this button, the tail crashing action, and the biting action. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing special about this. Looks like an epic creature here. So maybe I'll get probably two for a hybrid. One for a custom paint and the other for, I'm gonna turn it into a hybrid. So yep, there you have it for today, guys. Oh yeah, the DNA scan, forgot. There you go. Look at that, and its belly part looks nice. Yeah, that's pretty cool right there. I'm gonna paint that too if I get a new one. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you. The next video will be a surprise. It will be a double surprise actually. Alright guys, thank you again. You guys have a good one now. Take care.